I've been involved in SEGRA for over 20 years and deeply committed to the connections of policy and outcomes in regional Australia, and I've been particularly keen at looking at ways in which the funding programs that governments operate can deliver really good outcomes on the ground.
Well, thanks very much. My name's Paul Niederer, and I've been running a capital raising matching platform for probably 8 or 9 years. And after raising hundreds of millions of dollars for over 300 companies, I'm amazed that some of the simple principles we use and methods aren't used as much in the regional funding area. And so what I'm really looking forward is to sharing some of these strategies to make it more certain of success in regional funding.
So I'm looking forward to this event because the collaboration has given us a chance as a way of looking at positioning projects in a pathway that can be more attractive to investors and funding. By that I mean, I think we have so many great projects out there in the regions. Often our biggest challenge is working out the best business case, the most compelling story that can ensure we get funding to deliver these great projects and secure the future of the regions. I think this event is really starting to reveal some of the doorways that are now open to regional communities that we really haven't had access to before.
Around the world, we're seeing a lot of interest in crowdfunding. But when I think about crowdfunding, I just think of it in terms of internet finance. It's just another way of financing projects. And the good thing about financing projects is that they all have to have a good story and they all have to have a way to reach the investors. And so what I'd like to share on the webinar is that it's no great secret. Strategies exist now, especially in the areas of regional funding, to get people to fund regional projects.
My name is Steve Torsa. I'm the Managing Director for Wholesale Investor. We founded Wholesale Investor in 2008 and have basically been promoting Australian companies, emerging growth companies, to Australian investors. What was interesting, we discovered that more investors than what we ever expected were keen to get into the space. The challenge was they just didn't know where to go. So in the last 12 months, we've showcased over 120 opportunities to 13,000 investors across Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Hong Kong, UK, Korea, etc., to over 3,500 attendees. The challenges facing regional Australia is what we faced when we launched Wholesale Investor. There are great opportunities, they just struggle to get access to investors. What I'm really looking forward to talking about is about these opportunities I see in this space and also what investors are looking for before they invest their capital.